Okay guys, this is Cruise Roy. I just got dropped off to me a Shadow Spirit Honda. It's a 2003. I don't know how many miles on it yet because it has a digital dash. I gotta wait to charge the battery, but someone got a good deal on it. But before they wanted to start it up, they wanted to make sure that everything was clear. I took the side covers off and the seats up there, and it kind of looks like when someone took the battery case out, they took these screws off and this one here, so I'm going to have to go to Honda to find replacements. So I noticed that when I was taking the battery out. Otherwise the bike doesn't look like it has that many miles on it. It's a little dirty right now, but it's a 750 VT 750. I was wondering why the side covers weren't fitting properly, because that's the battery case that was disconnected is what these lock into on the side here. There's an air cleaner like a Harley Davidson, and I removed the seat. But otherwise the bike looks like, I'm guessing, anywhere from 3,000 to 7,000 miles on this bike. Not that many. I mean, the aluminum's really nice. It needs a bath. Spokes ain't all rusty. You know, behind here was nice. I mean, here's the air cleaner box. You know, it's the air cleaner box. So it's probably backfired a little bit. It seems like someone tried to start it because it's varnishing gas. I'm not sure, but the little nuts are still going. Even this is still shiny. Alright. Anyways, the whole purpose of this is I have to find me a screwdriver. It's got a little whack here. That's usually from your feet. Trying to put your feet over the bike. It's about the only damage I see to the bike. But I already drained the other carburetor, and if you look at the gas isn't supposed to look like blood. I'm going to check this other one. What you do is put a clear tube on it. People don't realize that in the winter when they shut their bikes off, you shut your fuel off with your fuel petcock, and you run it until it dies, and then there's little screws in the bottom of your bowls. All you need to do is hook up a little hose like I got here. The hose is right to the nipple on the bottom of the bowl, and you just crack the screw open a little bit and drain the fuel. And if you do that, the expense of going to a bike shop to get a carb clean become minimal. And you keep the crappy gas out of your carburetor. Alright, take the hose off. Now, one of the common things is, I mean, look at the fuel dye in this. The cup, wherever I lean it, wherever I lean the fuel, it leaves a yellow residue. That's the varnish in it. The bike's only been sitting, the guy says, about a year. So I know the fuel's bad. The tank's topped off. I'll put some dry gas in it, a little bit of stabilizer. The bike, hopefully, maybe it'll run without me getting involved with the carbs. The carbs look like they're brand new. So before I even tear it apart, I'm going to take the chance of trying to start it. The petcock looked like it was off all the time. The gas doesn't smell that bad. And what I like to do for a test is, and you drain those two little bowls. What you want to look for is the octane in the fuel. That's what makes the bike run. If there's none of that left, the bike is going to have a hard time starting. But I'm going to try this stuff out. It seems to smell okay. Alright. It's very dangerous to do. Don't pour a whole pile there, but This looks like it's got plenty of octane left in it. You know? So, let that smolder out. We'll try that at home. Especially a nice gas jug. But out she goes. Alright. I don't like the color of the gas. And I see a little bit of, I always use like a brand new white cup. If you look in there, there's little bits of residue. It's like black. And what that is all the little O-rings inside the carburetor kind of deteriorating. Get up, you bug. You smell it. It does smell kind of bad. The oil doesn't smell like there's bad gas in it. That's why this bike, I think it probably had one oil change in its life as the break-in oil change. And I don't know, we're going to try to work with this gas. I'm going to put a little dry gas in the tank and a little bit of stable, and I might go get some octane boost to make sure there's enough octane to fire. If she don't fire, the next thing I would do is change the plugs right off the bat. And if all that don't work, I'm going to break her down and I'm going to do a carb clean. I don't want to do it right off the bat because the bike's never been touched. I mean, look at these screws. You know? This bike's like brand new. So, I got a good deal. It's a nice bike. Honda Shadow 750. Even got the chopper rises on it. But that's all I want to say about this. And this is Cruise Roy, and I'm out of here. Okay guys, this is Cruise Roy. Here I am with the Shadow Spirit again. Did a little detail work to it, cleaned it all up, did a carb clean on it, drained the full tank. It was because of the new ethanol, you're getting this yellow residue in the gas. That was completely drained. Put some new Sunoco or Shell 93 in there. Cleaned up all the chrome. She's only got about 3,000 miles on her. Alright, carb clean. Was missing some bolts for the battery bracket. Brand new battery. Waxed and cleaned with a little Meguiar's. Cleaned it up with a little acid etch that keeps the chrome and everything. It shined up really nice. But she's only 3,000 miles. She's 2003. Alright, now we're going to fire her up. See if she runs. See that? 34.41 on the mileage.
So that's what we had to do to this girl. A lot easier than some of the old girls I get in here, but this one just needed a good cleaning. New battery, wipe out the gas out of the tank, new filter, new oil filter, new air cleaner. It's like a brand new bike again. A little bit of detail work, came out real nice. I think that fuel is off. Put it back on. I think that she came out pretty good. This is a good looking bike for a Honda. Alrighty. Well, this is another one of Cruiseroy's projects. She's up and running. She looks real nice. She'd look good with a wide tire kit. So this is Cruiseroy, and I'm out of here.